going to take off the rear bumper on this Mercedes CLS 220, as you can see there. I've got a bit of a repair to do down here, new little vent bit, and repair here. As you can see, the parking sensor clip isn't even properly connected. So we're going to start by releasing the bottom and the sides. So we've got two pushing clips, one up here and one down there. And then at the very bottom there's a 10mm bolt. And there'll also be a 10mm bolt in the top there, like that. And on the underside, we'll have two T20 Torx bits, and then a 10mm bolt there, and then same the other side as well. So we'll go ahead and get that bottom side disconnected, and then we'll come back to do the top. Right, both sides are completely disconnected now. Same hole underneath is disconnected, same as this side as well. So we're just going to pop the boot up, have a look around the back of here, and we'll show you what bolts we find to get it off. Cheers. So with all that disconnected, we go ahead and pop the boot. Once we've done that, we'll have to get into here. And then in the to get this piece off here, check there's any bolts underneath. There's 1, 2 and 3, which they are going to be more than likely a T30 Torx. So we'll go ahead and get them off and then show you what we find underneath. Once them 3 T30s are out of here, you're going to get the bottom of that, pull it out and lift it upwards. Same with this side here. Give it a little pull up. The whole thing should come off, leaving the clips should all stay intact. So now that piece is off. We've then got these here. Take off them little rubber bungs. 1, 2, and then inside will be, not sure whether you can see or not, but there'll be a 10mm bolt in there. So we'll just have a look. Right, last 2 nuts are off. This is what they look like and they come out of them holes there. But you have got a long shaft there, so you would need an extra deep socket, or in this case I didn't have one at the time, so I welded 2 sockets together so that they reached. If not, you've got the rod going through the middle and it won't let it go through the middle of the socket. So now they're off, I'm just going to check for any more bolts and then lift it off. Turns out there's no more bolts after them 2 in the top there, so you should just be able to take it off. Should just pop off both corners from underneath the headlights and then drop down. Just remember you've got the parking sensors which are clipped on. Right, as you can see, rear bumper is now finally off, all undone. And then we've got the parking sensors wire here, which this little rubber grommet, just pop that out, take these plugs out one by one, and then you can disconnect them from that and leave all the wiring all in situ on the back of the bumper. And while we're in this corner, we can see the parking sensor holder, which has been pushed, so it's come unstuck. But we can just go and give that a little plastic weld and a seal back on, and the parking sensor is just laying on the inside there, in the inside of the bumper. So we'll clean that up, make sure it's working, reseal that back on, give it a little plastic weld and pop it back in. And then we're going to repair and paint the outside of the bumper too. So there we have it. Mercedes CLS rear bumper off the car. Cheers for watching. See you in the next one.
Got in the city, rushing through me, down home, upstream, are you with me?